Lakini unajua tukikutana namna hii, it's also important. We have a cup of tea, we celebrate, and sometimes even meetings can speak volumes. Like President Uhuru has learned the secret of the power of silence. Yani watu wanang'ang'ana na Uhuru anabeba nini kwa kichwa yake hawajui. So we celebrate him. We celebrate him because all we are saying right now, everybody, including the President Uhuru, is concerned about this matter of IEBC. So William Ruto should come out of the slumber and do something. The country is waiting for him. You know, they tell their proxies, because the fellows who have gone to court are the proxies of UDA. Tell your proxies to withdraw the case. Name within the next 1 week the panel, and then the next few months we should have in place an IEBC. Mengine ya poroja ati naenda kukutana na Ruto usiku. Mimi si mtu aina hiyo. Nikitaka kuona Ruto nitasema kwa Kenya, I'm going to meet him. Nimwambie organize IEBC, and I'm not saying I'm meeting him. Yeah, I'm not meeting on IEBC. It is his responsibility to do it. But they organized as a judge in Kiambu who had to give an injunction, an order to make sure that the names are not submitted to him. As simple as that. And my brother Weta knows he's part of that conspiracy. He's a very good friend of mine. He should jump out of that conspiracy. Wapeana ya majina. Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
People of all types of speculation. Yeah, some others saying I've been going to State House at midnight. Awashindwa sana. Hawa ni waongo wa ajabu. For us, we are very clear on the way forward. In fact, we propose to issue a statement, pre-Jamhuri statement. I know that some people in the media have been saying, oh, we are issuing statement there, but we will do a mixture. We will talk when it is necessary to be able to put these people on their toes, because they are obviously a lying regime and they have been found out. We are calling them out. Just in the matter of IEBC, we've been very clear, right, that when Azimio was given 48 hours to forward the name of the candidate to be in the panel that will constitute the IEBC, we had to adhere to the strict timeline by the court. And we gave the name of Dr. Koki Muli. I think she'll be issuing a statement. But there are people who are afraid of our abilities. They want to get user-friendly candidates. All right? So she had herself won the case. And so this is a matter where the state itself has gone to appeal. They went to court to appeal in a Kiambu court. We have said this before. And then after that appeal, they have not even prepared to prosecute the appeal, meaning they are not even interested. Speaker Wetangula had 1 week after Azimio complied with that directive of the court to forward the names to President William Ruto. But they gerrymandered in order to allow the fellows they have given the mandate to delay the whole process to move to court. So I was amazed. I don't know whether there's a judge who talked about this, and it's unfortunate that he didn't seem to have the facts. So this is the fact. State capture continues, even of the judiciary. The fact they are not even able to move this process forward. So we are calling them out that this is a William Ruto strategy to make sure that there is no IEBC, and therefore continue even the matter, very important matter of the independent electoral boundaries. You see, there was a time limit within which we should now come up with a review of the boundaries. Under NADCO, we had proposed, I think, 15 years. And if they had taken the time to marshal the whole parliament, they marshaled when they were impeaching Gachagua, right? They marshaled more than 2/3. They should have marshaled the same to make sure that constitutional amendment was done, so that the country would not be in a crisis, a constitutional crisis. So we join with the church The church has called out, I think they gave them 12 days